Here magnetic tapes means they are made up of plastic or the ribbon material on which magnetized material is coated on. It is also used for storing the information like recording audios or videos. And magnetic disc is a circular disc, same circular disc made up of plastic or the ribbon material on which magnetized material is coated on. They both are non-volatile in nature. Non-volatile means that it does not require the continuous flow of electricity in order to retain and save the data. They both are secondary storage devices. So magnetic tape and magnetic disc both are used to store the information like recording audios or videos. Next is language. If we talk about the language, that which language was used to give the instructions to the computer, that was evolved in the third generation computers, means from the period 1964 to 1971. So high level language. This language was used in order to give the instructions to the computer. What is high level language? This is HLL, which stands for high level language. A language which is much closer to the human language, or you can say a language similar to the human language. And the examples of high level language are Fortran, COBOL, Pascal and BASIC. So these are the languages which were used to give the instructions to the computer, which were evolved in the period 1964 to 1971. Next is, if we talk about the input and output devices, so monitors, you know this thing that monitor is an output device where keyboard is an input device. So monitors and keyboard were introduced for input and output of data. For input means to give the instructions to the computer, means entering the instructions to the computer. Keyboards were introduced in third generation of computer. And output means whatever the input we give to the computer, after working on that input in order to produce the meaningful result, output devices are used. Again, whatever the input we give to the computer, after working on that, the meaningful result, output devices are used. Again, whatever the input we give to the computer, after working on that input, means after working on that instructions, in order to produce the results, output devices are used. So for output devices, monitors were introduced. Again, for input, keyboards were introduced in third generation of computer, and in order to display the results, output devices were introduced, that is monitor. This output device was introduced in third generation of computer. Operating system. Maybe you all are aware about this term, what operating system is. It works similar like a principal. As the principal in a school control overall functioning of a school, similarly students, this operating system is responsible for controlling the overall functions of a computer like the CPU, mouse, keyboard, hard disk. It controls overall functioning of computer hardware. What is operating system? It acts an interface between the computer user and the hardware components. Hardware component and the computer's user. Who are user? Like you and me. So it is an interface between the computer hardware and the users. And it manages the overall functioning of a computer system for its smooth running. So which operating system was used in the third generation of computer? That was time sharing and multi-programming. Now what is time sharing? Here time sharing means to share the resources of a computer among many users at the same time. Time sharing means to share something. So here time sharing operating system means sharing of computer resources among many users at the same time. And multi-programming operating system, what this operating system is? Multi-programming, as the name indicates. Multi means many, more than one. Program means the programs means the work we do on the computer. So multi-programming here means this operating system allows us to run more programs at the same time. This multi-programming operating system allows us that we can run more than one programs at the same time. That means suppose at the same time I am working on MS Excel, and simultaneously I am making something on MS Word. So which allows me to do this thing? Multi-programming operating system, which allows me to run more than one program simultaneously at the same time. So these both operating system, time sharing and multi-programming, were used in third generations of computers. Examples means these computers were evolved in third generation computer, means from the period 1964 to 1971. That was IBM Series 360, PDP-8, Honeywell 6000. So these were the computers that was evolved in the period third generation of computers.